day. So someone has contacted me about the hockey stick, in particular the first 3 steps of the hockey stick in the rumba and what to do with the arms. As always, anytime I upload content onto YouTube, I want it to be original. I've looked at what other people are doing and I've tried to simplify it. Here we go. So to confirm, we're only dancing these 3 actions within the hockey stick. The timing being 2, 3, 4, and we'll include the 1 also, 1. This idea is all about the left hand, so I'm going to pop my right hand in my pocket. The left hand will move in relationship to the first 2 actions. So when I use my right foot, my hand goes to my right hip. When I use my left foot, my hand goes to my left hip. It's only as I take my right foot forwards and I move my left hand to my ribs, my neck, my head, and finish with the penciled fingers that the action is complete. The timing here, commencing with the right foot, is 2, 3, 4, 1. This is what I mean by penciled fingers. If I take a pencil, place it on top of my middle finger with my index and forefinger supporting it, you can see it will create a quite attractive shape.